simple ingredients and instructions. Mosquitoes are attracted to dark colours, so I'll put this into a black bucket. Voila! A DIY Mozzie egg catcher. And now we wait. Oh, that was quick. Warning! Mozzie egg catching on TV may happen much faster than in real life. According to my instructions, this now gets sent to a lab where, actually, I don't know what they do next. Let's find out for ourselves. This must be the guy who's been looking at those Mozzie eggs. Let's check it out. Hi, are you the scientist who's been getting people like me to send in mosquito eggs?
That's right, Lee. I'm Brian.
Oh, well, Brian, I'm happy to do anything for science, but this does seem a bit strange. Could you explain what's going on?
Yeah, it is a bit strange because what we are asking people is, do you know the mosquitoes that are flying into your backyard? Now, how do we know that? Is that we actually have to ask people to go out and have a look and collect samples and send them to us so that we can then see what sort of mosquitoes are visiting your house.
And there's some sort of link between these mosquito eggs and a virus. Could you explain what mosquitoes have to do with viruses?
That's right. Look, there are mosquitoes out there that have no impact on our health, but there are also other ones. The mosquitoes we're concerned about are the ones that can transmit Zika, dengue or chikungunya. Obviously, you've received a lot of different samples in these envelopes. When my sample gets here and you unpack it, what happens to it next? Well, what we need to do is get a sense of how many eggs are at your place. And the way we do that is we have to look at each of those strips which come in from the public. It's okay to have no eggs. That's a really great result for us. However, if there are eggs, the question is, what sort of mosquito did that? And so what we need to do is count them, pack them into groups of up to 5,000 eggs, and then send them off for a diagnostic test to make sure there's no Zika mozzies here.
DNA sequencing allows these scientists to find out whether the Mozzie species in my yard and the yards of all the other citizen scientists were left behind by a harmless Aussie Mozzies or an invasive species that could spread Zika. And while all this lab work is happening, you can relax at home. But don't worry, they'll text you to let you know the results.